he's great. There you go. Look at.
He's great. He's a great guy.
Yeah, we won't go any further. This is Nancy, man. She does everything. Cleans house. She earns her keep. Put it that way. I can't say she don't have a job because she really does a good job cleaning, cooking, and stuff. And Rod, he don't have a job. He does the same thing I do. Nothing. We're both in the Army, of course.
This must be an honesty tape. Is this an honesty tape?
And Audrey, she just works her ass off playing with kids all day long. I just can't understand it. See, her ass, she got plenty of ass. She better work a couple more years. And Wendy, she just doesn't work at all. She never work. There you go, Wendy. Smile. Look at him. Look at her chest, folks. That's having one baby. Here we go, folks. I'll zoom in on her here. Oh, she threw something at me, but no problem. I'm a roaming reporter here. I'll get in real close. Check him out. See. Now that's after having one kid only. Ah, someone grabbed me down there. That's her again. See, oh, Renee just grabbed me too. Renee just grabbed me down here. This is Nancy, everybody. We're going out to the water. She's staying here in Slavey and cooking. See, there's the grill. It's closed, but there really is some hamburgers in there, and might be some hot. Nancy, go ahead and open that up for folks at home. Okay, here we go. There, see, folks, there are all kinds of burgers in there. It's gonna be a while yet because they look kind of raw. We bought them for only $2.89 pack of 12. That's good. They're already cut and everything. And, oh, there's Wendy. There's a better side, yes. And she's mad. And Renee's down here too somewhere. There she is. That's a cute little girl rolling, huh, Renee?
I'll organize.
No? Oh, I think so. Okay, we're going off the water now. I'm signing off. Say bye to Nancy, everybody. Bye, Nancy. We're going to the water. Bye.
Bye.